Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Ella and I'd love to see more of you here. I'll just go straight and apologize in advance for the audio. I mean, while I was filming this video, it miraculously stopped recording at some point, and somehow some part of the audio decided to also miraculously vanish, but it's okay, we move. Basically all I'm yapping about is telling you how I went for a vintage look and I liked the beautiful burnt orange and pigmented eyeshadow with the lip liner and lip gloss look, as you can see on the screen. I'm just going to show you, obviously this is like a 15 minutes trendy and easy simple makeup look I think anyone could rock with or without lashes. So I'll just show you the products that I use in obviously the step-by-step methods on how I applied it. Like I said, the video did cut at some point, but I would hopefully explain the bit that you missed out. So let's just get right into it and yeah, enjoy.
Hey, Eddie baby, it's your baby. Hi that way you did, they make me day happy. I'm falling for you long time, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm in love and I'm baby, my luck back will, my loss are far away. Then no get joy. I will be loving you. I see nothing bigger than you, baby. You're